So now we prep for install. So let's go. Before installation, Android files transfer from the home folder. So let's go using terminal. So what do we do? Nothing? Yep. Open terminal, tab. This for this folder will contain in. Yeah, this is proof or inside. So let's go. Tab, CD, backspace, desktop, slash. Now I open desktop. For browse, what in desktop, ls. Now we see what we have on the desktop. So, CD, of course, I copy because I'm hungry, I don't have time for tapping. Copy and paste. Don't forget slash symbol. Tapping and tap slash. And that's it. So let's see what inside the folder. So tap ls. And here we are, or inside. So let's go and see how install. Alright, so let's go to terminal and tapping to commands. So all we do from copy and paste, because everything typing spend lots of time. So let's copy and paste everything for the install Android transfer on Linux Debian, modified for Raspberry Pi on computer Intel base. So let's do and see how it's doing. Right? Is a couple steps, so whatsoever. I learning how using Linux because I everything install using app manager. But more app you can download for GitHub using tars, zip, file, whatever. So yeah, that's much better. By using 10 years old computer with Intel Pentium E5 and 60 GB RAM, but is no support. This machine is now supported on the Windows 11. So yeah, let's go. Don't bring any dots on the end text. That's make your file or fail. Right? And that's it. So let's try how it's working. Do you see? I'm using GoPro camera. Look at that. Open Android transfer is open automatically if you connect USB-C with your GoPro camera to computer. And now we open GoPro. Look at that. Rough video files. I don't using transfer app to convert low file. I'm using only a rough file. This is proxy file LRV. Yeah, that's it. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. From install on Linux, from your folder. Yep. So bye bye. So if you're more interested what can be used Linux or how install and whatever, leave me text on down below. So thanks for watching and bye bye.